Hey everybody! Today is DIY project day, and like I said this week earlier, we're going to be using toilet paper rolls. Now I'll tell you what we're going to be doing with them. We're going to be making them into cell phone holders. Legit. It's what I'm using right now to make this video, because I couldn't find a cell phone holder, and I was using books, and the selfie stick doesn't work because, well, if you've ever used one, it won't lay flat, won't do what you want it to do. So I went, okay, cell phone holders, you gotta be able to make one, right? And the toilet paper roll craft came up, so I thought, fun. Everyone does selfies or makes videos and wants to take pictures, group pictures, and if you don't have a selfie stick, well, grab a roll of toilet paper and away you go. So I'll show you how I made them. Trust me, I went like through 3-4 of these to make them. So you take your toilet paper roll, squish it, take a Sharpie, kind of make some lines as to where you want to start cutting. You want to make sure you're going at an angle, okay? Because the phone kind of needs to lean back. If it's too far forward, I figured out that it just falls and it doesn't really work. So make a line. As to how far you want to go is up to you, and leave a little space. I'll make it all black so you can see it. So leave a little space so that your phone can sit inside of an indent. Okay, so you can see here, draw a line, and all you need to do, take your scissors. This is actually the hardest part, because sometimes the rolls don't want to cut so nice, and that either means the roll is really, really tough, or I need new scissors. Probably need new scissors. Good excuse to go buy some. Okay. Like I said, need new scissors. Okay, so I'm going to go across like this. And if scissors don't work, tear a little bit, because, you know, it is a toilet paper roll after all. Not perfect. Cut your indent out. Now, don't cut the indents off, leave them, because they're going to act like a bit of a shelf. So you just want to put them in. Make sure they're somewhat even, though, guys, otherwise your phone's still going to be tickety-wonkus. Okay. That's it. You have yourself a cell phone stand. Ta-da! Now, to make it pretty, add some paint. I used blue paint and a little bit of sparkly paint. And this is what the finished project looks like. So it's a little bit sparkly, so it doesn't look like a toilet paper roll. But it's the coolest craft. I'm not going to sit here and paint it and make you go through all that. If you want to see that, I can definitely show you. But once you paint your bear roll, it looks like this. Kind of neat. So that is what I will be using from now on to make these videos. Thanks for tuning in today. You guys have a wonderful weekend. It is Friday. We'll see y'all next week with our next product highlight. In the meantime, check out our brand new of a look website, wiredstudio81.com. Follow along on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day, great weekend. Bye now. Take care.